name is Gracie, and I'm going to provide a highlight video of the batch update utility. Whether you're compliance, an admin, or a manager, there's been times when hundreds of loans require data to be updated or just filled out. Whether it's a single field, a few, or even multiple fields that need updating for compliance or reporting purposes, the batch update utility can update hundreds or thousands of loan files in seconds. Just create your CSV file with the loan number for the affected loans, as well as the fields that need to be updated as well. Assign your data cleanup CSV file. Attach it to a log folder and hit start.